Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful, brand new, incredibly high-tech wonder of the seas. Now this particular category is a Boardwalk View Balcony. There's a lot of reasons to choose this room. I'll go through that and tour the entire space here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let's tour the room. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you're gonna have this little switch. You wanna make sure you put your key card in there at all times. That's what's gonna control the power. Right here to the right, you have a bathroom. Did want to point out that these are now magnetic instead of having a latch. It's a nice little touch there. As I step in, you can see there's beautiful decor here. You've got storage up and down on the shelves, a little bit of storage underneath, and the toilet tucked just in the corner. As I step into the shower, to me, this is an awesome fit. I'm 6'6", I'm a really big guy. I fit just fine in here. I love the bowed out shower door. You're also gonna have the adjustable shower wand and your bath amenities. You got your hair and body wash there. They're doing everything they can to eliminate single-use plastics. To my left, you've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror you can use to get ready. And then over here, you're gonna have your couch. Now this does double as a bed. In some cases, there's a trundle underneath. You'll be able to see which ones do that directly on HarrTravel.com using our interactive deck plans. Now you've got a ton of storage in this room. This is all hanging storage here. You're gonna have some nice upgraded bathrobes if you're one of the higher level of tiers like I am. Just over here, you've got that couch, like I said, they can make that up into a bed for you. And then on the other side here, you're gonna have hanging storage. You also have your safe, perfect size for passport or wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. You've got storage up and down with the shelves, underneath with the drawers, and then you're also gonna find your hotspot in here. Once again, it is an incredibly high-tech ship. Now over here, you're gonna find your writing desk that doubles as a vanity. It is backlit, and underneath you've got a great charging station. 3 US plugs, 2 European plugs, and 2 USB chargers. You've got a mini fridge underneath, and then quite a bit more storage here. And once again, depending on the suite or room you're in and the level of crown and anchor status you are, you may have different amenities greeting you. Now, as we continue into the space, you're gonna have your bed here. It is in a large bed configuration right now. It can separate apart into 2 twins if that's your preference. You've got nightstands on either side, and I love that right here on the lamps, they also have a US plug and a USB charger, a really nice touch. Underneath the bed, there's tons of room for storage. You can tuck your things away completely. And directly across, you're gonna find a large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship. In addition to watching television, streaming, or you can order on-demand food and other items there. Just underneath, they have some hooks here. Nice little touch for just a bit more storage. Now, I mentioned that this was a Boardwalk View Balcony. Let's head out and see what that's all about. So now we're out on your balcony. You've got 2 chairs and a table here. Great place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail in the evening. These do adjust, so you can turn them into mini loungers. Now, there's a couple important things to note about these rooms. You do get quite a bit of noise that comes up from the boardwalk. You've got the carousel there. I've got the sports bar down below me. And then they're gonna do the large scale aqua theater shows here as well. Now you're looking directly across at other people, so that's an important feature to understand here, that you're not looking out at the ocean. Now this is perfect for some, not for others. If you do want that serene ocean view, make sure you upgrade, and we have that along with all the other suites on our channel if you want to check out all your different options here. Now when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.